Hi, I'm Terry McBride, and I'm from the Hernando Historical Museum Association, and we're going to be celebrating our 183rd birthday of Hernando County right here at the beautiful May Stringer House.
Hi, I am Miranda and I'm a docent here at the May Stringer in Brooksville, Florida. Come join us for Heritage Day 2026. Our events will include a pie baking contest, horse and buggy rides provided by the Country Depot, and we've got vendors and entertainment, and much more. Come and join us.
So come join us from 10 to 3 on February 21st at the May Stringer Museum.
And don't forget, it is a free event. Come celebrate with us.